So how do you install your Born batteries in your bass boat? You're in luck, because Born really didn't reinvent the wheel when it came to their batteries. They essentially took the same Group 27 or 31 platform and just upgraded it with lithium technology. And so they're just pretty much drop in. So if you already have a system, they're pretty easy to replace. But if you're like me, you want to have a professional do it. So there's plenty of people out there that can help you professionally install your batteries into your boat.